So here the differences between a term and its preceding term is always constant. 28 divided by minus 7, so D is equal to 4. So we got the common difference as minus 4. 21 by 2 into 6 is minus 12 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into minus 2. Hello everyone, I'm Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session, we will be working out problems on progressions. Now, this is Unit 4, Session 1. Now, let us see what do we mean by arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the differences between a term and its preceding term is constant. The constant is known as the common difference and it is denoted by D. See, for example, I give you a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, this is a sequence of numbers. Now, this is, we call it as a sequence or we call it as a progression. So here the differences between a term and its preceding term is always constant. See, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. So we can see that the constant is known as the common difference and it is denoted by D. The first term is denoted by A, N denotes the number of terms, T or Tn denotes the nth term, Sn denotes sum to n terms of an AP. Now, we have a few formulas here for arithmetic progression. The first formula is Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, this formula will be used whenever we need to find the order of the term. Whenever we have to find the nth value of the series, we will be making use of Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Then, suppose we have to find the sum of the series. Take the example 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So, the sum of the series, we have this formula. Sn equals n by 2 into A plus L, where A represents the first term and L represents the last term. Then, the next formula we have is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, these two formulas are used to find the sum of the series. Arithmetic mean between A and B equals A plus B divided by 2. Now, we go in for the problem. Find the 12th term of the AP 147 dash dash dash. Now, first we have to identify what is A here. So, A is the first term of the series and the first term is 1. Then we have to identify what is D. So, D is the common difference between the terms. So, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, D is the common difference, that is 3. And they have asked us to find out the 12th term of the series. So, N equals 12. N equals 12. Now, we have the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So, for this formula, we have to make use of. So, T12 will be equal to 1 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. T12 equals 1 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3. So, T12 equals 1 plus 33, that is equal to 34. So, T12 equals 34. Now, the next problem, the 13th term of the AP 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1. So, what is the first term here? A equals 1 by 3. Now, we have to find D. So, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, again it will be 1 by 3. So, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equals 1 by 3. So, it is D equals 1 by 3. Now, what is N here? 13. So, we have the formula here with us. So Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So T13 will be 1 by 3 plus 13 minus 1 into 1 by 3. T13 equals 1 by 3 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 by 3. T13 equals 1 by 3 plus 4. Or instead of simplifying this, I can just directly write it as 13 by 3. So 13 by 3 will be the answer. So the 13th term of the AP is 13 by 3. The next problem we have here, the 20th term of the AP, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. Now we'll write what is A minus 2. What is D? Minus 5 minus of minus 2. So it will be 3. D is equal to plus 3. Now N is equal to 20. Now we have the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. T20 equals minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 into 3. T20 equals minus 2 plus 19 into 3. T20 equals minus 2 plus 57. 19 threes are 57. T20 equals 55. That is the answer. Now the next one. Which term of the progression is 94? So we have to calculate the nth value of the term 94. Now A equals 1. D equals 4 minus 1, that is 3, and Tn equals 94. So Tn equals 94. So we have the formula for Tn. Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now 94 equals 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. So 94 equals 1 plus 3n minus 3. 3 into n, 3n. 3 into 1, 3. Now 94 plus 3 equals 1 plus 3n. 94 plus 3 minus 1 equals 3n. 94 plus 3 is 97. 97 minus 1 is 96 equals 3n. N equals 96 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So n equals 32. N equals 32. This is the answer. So the 94th term, it is the 32nd value of the series. Is 81 a term of the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13? Now A equals 1, D equals 4 minus 1, that is 3, and they have given us Tn equals 81. Now we make use of the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So 81 equals 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. 81 equals 3n minus 3. 81 equals 3n minus 2. 81 plus 2 equals 3n. 83 equals 3n. N equals 83 by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 sevens are 21.6 something. So n is not a whole number. So if n is not a whole number, it means that since n is in decimal, 81 is not a term of the sequence. 81 is not a term of the sequence. Next one. How many terms are there in the sequence 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 75? So we have to find the nth value of this minus 75. So we write A equals 9, D equals 6 minus 9, that is minus 3. Now Tn equals minus 75. Now we have the Tn formula. Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Tn equals minus 75 equals 9 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 75 equals 9, 3 into n, minus 3n plus 3. Now minus 75 equals 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 3n. Minus 75 minus 12 equals minus 3n. So minus 75 minus 12 will be minus 87 equals minus 3n. N will be equal to minus 87 divided by minus 3. Now when we simplify this, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So n equals 29, that is the answer. So minus 75 is the 29th term of the series. 29th term of the series. Now, the next problem, the third term of an AP is 25 and the 10th term is minus 3. Find the first term and the common difference. Now, the third term of a AP, T3 will be equal to A plus 2D. Now, they have given us the third term, A plus 2D equals 25 and T10 equals A plus 9D equals minus 3. Find the first term and the common difference. So we have equation 1 and equation 2 here. So we will just subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract 2 from 1. So when we subtract, the signs will change. So A and A gets cancelled. So minus 9D plus 2D will be minus 7D equals 28. Minus 3 will become plus 3, so it becomes 28. So D equals 28 divided by minus 7. So D is equal to 4. So we got the common difference as minus 4. Now substitute in the equation 1. Substitute in 1. So what is equation 1? A plus 2D equals 25. So A plus 2D equals 25. A plus 2 into minus 4 equals 25. A equals 25 plus 8. So 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 we take to the other side of the equation. It becomes plus 8. So A equals 25 plus 8 or A equals 33. So that is the answer. So we have the next problem here. What is given here? The sum of the series is 40. Sn equals 40. and D is given. D equals 2, L equals 13. Find the first term and the number of terms. So, first thing is, we will just find the nth value of 13. So, we have Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula we have. So, 13 equals A plus n minus 1 into 2, or 13 equals A plus 2n minus 2. 13 plus 2 will be equal to A plus 2n. So 13 plus 2 is 15 minus A equals 2n. N will be equal to 15 minus A divided by 2. N equals 15 minus A divided by 2. Now, they have again given us Sn equals n by 2 into A plus L. So, we know the value of Sn. Value of Sn is 40, n by 2. So, n by 2, we know the value of n. 15 minus A divided by 2 whole over 2 into A plus L equals 13. So, I have just substituted the values here. So, 40 equals 15 minus A divided by 4 into A plus 13. So, 40 into 4, 160 equals 15 minus A into A plus 13. Now, 160 equals 15 into A, 15A, and 15 into 13. So, 15 into 13. So, when we calculate 15 into 13, 13 5s are 65, 13 1s are 13, 13 plus 6, 195. So, 15 into A, 15A plus 195, A into A minus A square and minus 13A. So, we have just multiplied both the terms. Now, this will be equal to 160 minus 195 equals 15A minus A square minus 13A. Now, 15A minus 13A will be 2A. 2A and minus A square plus 2A equals 35 minus 35. So, 195 minus 160 is minus 35. Now, we will just multiply all the terms by the minus sign. So, A square minus 2A equals 35, or A square minus 2A minus 35 equals 0. Now, 7 5s are 35. A square minus 7A minus 5A minus 35 is equal to 0. A is common here. So, A minus 7 minus 5, A minus 7 equals 0. A minus 7 equals 0, or A minus 5 equals 0. A equals 7 or A equals 5. So, this is the answer. So, we got A equals 7 or A equals 5. Now, we have to find the n. N equals 15 minus 5 divided by 2. n equals 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So when a is 5, n is 5. Or when a is 7, so n equals 15 minus 7 divided by 2. So 15 minus 7 will be equal to 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Now, the ratio of the 7th to the 3rd term of an AP is 12:5. Find the ratio of the 13th to the 4th term. Now, what have they given? The ratio of the 7th term. Now, T7 equals A plus 6D. And they have also given the 3rd term. T3 equals A plus 2D. Right? Now, they have given the ratio of the 7th and the 3rd term is 12:5. So, I'll write A plus 6D is to A plus 2D is as to 12:5. A plus 6D is to A plus 2D is as to 12:5. So, we just multiply this A plus 2D into 12 equals 5 into A plus 6D. Right? So, 12 into A, 12A plus 24D equals 5 into A, 5A plus 6 5s are 30D. Now, 12A plus 24D equals 5A plus 30D. So, 12A minus 5A is equal to minus 24D plus 30D. So, 12 minus 5 is 7A equals 6D. Or A equals 6 by 7D. Or A equals 6 by 7D. Or A is to D is equal to 6:7. Now, they have asked us find the ratio of 13th to the 4th term. Now, the 13th term is T13 equals A plus 12D. And the 4th term is T4 equals A plus 3D. Now, we have to find the ratio here. So, they have asked us to find the ratio. So, A plus 12D is to A plus 3D. We have to find what is the ratio here. Now, we know the value of A is to D is 6:7, or we write it as 6K and 7K. So, instead of A, I write it as 6K plus 12 into 7K is as to 6K plus 3 into 7K. So, 6K plus 12 sevens are 84K is as to 6K plus 21K. Now, 6K plus 84K is to 6K plus 21K. 84 plus 6 is 90K is to 27K, or K is equal to 90 by 27, that is equal to 30 by 9 or 10 by 3. So, the ratio of the 13th to 4th term is 10:3. Now, the rate of monthly salary of a person is increased annually in AP. It is known that he was drawing 200 per month during the 11th year of his service and rupees 380 during the 29th year. So, find the starting salary and the rate of annual increment. What should be his salary at the time of retirement just on the completion of 35 years of service? So, the rate of monthly salary of a person is increased annually, and it is known that he was drawing rupees 200 per month during the 11th year. So the 11th year means T11 equals 200. He was drawing 200 rupees in his 11th year of service, and T29 equals 380. In the 29th year, he was earning 380. Find the starting salary and the rate of annual increment. So T11 equals A plus 10D. T29 equals A plus 28D. So A plus 10D equals 200. A plus 28D equals 380. We are subtracting both the equations. So when we subtract the equations, A and A gets cancelled. So 28 minus 10 will be minus 18 equals minus 180, or D equals 180 by 18, that is equal to 10. So the D is equal to 10. So every year he gets an annual increment of 10 rupees. So find the starting salary. Now A plus 10D equals 200. A plus 10 into 10 equals 200. A equals 200 minus 100. A equals 100. So his first salary is 100 rupees. So what should be his salary at the time of retirement on the completion of 35 years of service? So in the 35th year, T35 equals A plus 34D. So T35 equals 100 plus 34 into 10. So T35 equals 100 plus 340. So T35 equals 440. So in the 35th years of his service, he will be getting 440 rupees. Then find the sum of the following series. So we have A equals minus 6, D equals minus 2, minus of minus 6. So that will be 4. So N equals 21. So we have to find the sum of the series. So we have the Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn equals S21 equals n will be 21 divided by 2 whole over 2 into minus 6 into 21 minus 1 into d equals minus 2. So S21 equals 21 by 2 into 6 is minus 12 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into minus 2. Yes, 21 equals 21 by 2 into minus 12 minus 40. So, S21 equals 21 by 2 into minus 52, or S21 equals 2 2s are 4 2 6. So 21 into 26. So 21 into 6. So when we multiply this, 26 into 21. 21 into 6 is 21 into 6, 126. 21 into 2, it will be 42. 42 plus 12. 42 plus 12 will be 54. So, S21 equals 546. That is the answer. Now, how many terms of an AP 42, 36, 30 amounts to 150. So they have given us Sn equals 150, A equals 42, D equals 36 minus 42, that is minus 6. We have to find N equals how much? Now we have the formula Sn equals N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we have Sn equals 150 equals N by 2 into 2 into A. So what is the value of A? A value of A is 42 plus N minus 1 into minus 6. So D is equal to minus 6. Now 150 equals N by 2 into 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 84 minus 6 into N minus 6N plus 6. So when we simplify this, so 150 equals N by 2 into 84 plus 6 is 90 minus 6N. So this 2 I'll just multiply here. So 150 into 2 will be 300 equals 90N minus N square. So N into 90 is 90N. N into 6N will be minus 6N square. So when I rewrite this equation, 300 equals 90N minus 6N square. So I bring it to the other side of the equation. 6N square minus 90N plus 300 is equal to 0. Now we have two terms, 6 3s are 18, 1800. Find multiples of this. 2 900s are, 2 4s are, 450s are, 5 90s are, 5 18s are, 3 6s are, 6 1s are. So we have to find 6N square. So when we multiply, I should get 1800. Now when I divide the entire equation by 6, I get N square minus 90 divided by 6 is 15N plus 50 is equal to 0. Now 10 into 5 is 50, 10 plus 5 is 15. So N square minus 15N minus 10N minus 5N plus 50 is equal to 0. N is common here. So N minus 10 minus 5 into N minus 10 is equal to 0. N minus 10 into N minus 5 is equal to 0, or N is equal to 10, or N is equal to 5. So this is the answer. N can be 10 or N can be 5. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.